Is your contractor a liability? Avoid costly mistakes. Choosing the right contractor can make or break your commercial construction project. Don't gamble with your investment. Learn how to select a partner who delivers results, not headaches. Before you even think about contacting contractors, get crystal clear on your project. What exactly are you building? What's your timeline? What's your budget? The more specific you are upfront, the better you can assess potential contractors. This clarity ensures alignment and sets the stage for successful execution. Not all contractors are created equal. Seek out a contractor with proven experience in your specific project type. Medical, retail, warehouse, it all matters. Request case studies, client references, and a comprehensive portfolio. A solid reputation, built on past performance, speaks volumes about their capabilities. Resist the urge to simply choose the lowest bid. Chasing the cheapest price often leads to costly mistakes and subpar work. Focus on value. The right contractor will help you avoid pitfalls and deliver quality, ensuring long-term savings and a superior final product. Great contractors rely on great subcontractors. Inquire about their core trade partners and how they manage them. A cohesive team is crucial. You want a team that has worked together before, not a collection of strangers meeting for the first time on your project. Protect yourself with a comprehensive contract. Define expectations, timelines, payment terms, and change order processes in writing. Ensure your contractor is licensed, insured, and has a clear safety plan. These fundamentals prevent future headaches and protect your investment. Hiring the right contractor is the most critical decision you'll make. Look for a partner who communicates effectively, has a proven track record, and treats your project as their own. Ready to build with confidence? Contact us today for a consultation. Let's discuss your project and how our decades of experience can deliver the results you deserve. Don't wait, secure your project's success now.